Hey friends, it is heading into March and today I got my planner stuff for setting up my Get to Work book for the month. I have the Cocoa Daisy Weeks calendar stickers. These are designed to fit into a Hobonichi Weeks style planner notebook, but I found that these fit perfectly on the month view of my Get to Work book. This month I also, well, not this month, so I always add, I love this kit, by the way. It's called Treetop Canopy with all kinds of cute animals. I also grabbed the Daisy Day planner stickers to go on my daily or on my weekly spread. So if you saw my last plan with me, you would have seen how I use these, and today I'm going to set up the whole entire month for you to see. I also added on these labels to add to some of my pages as well. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with my setup or you're new to my videos, I use a Get to Workbook for my planning. This one happens to be left over from a warehouse sale, so the dates are a little bit off. That's part of what led me to discovering Cocoa Daisy. And these stickers are from the Daisy Weeks collection and they fit really well. My first step is always covering up that March 2019 and getting the right year on there. Then the next step is putting the labels on the days of the week. I could change it to Monday through Sunday with this. That's one of the great things about dating it yourself, but I stick with Sunday through Saturday on my monthly view because it correlates with my husband's work schedule more easily. So these days of the week labels come in 2 full strips because they're designed to fit a Hobonichi Weeks planner. So I just trim them down and put them over the boxes. They are a little bit more narrow than the printed boxes, but that's okay with me. It's not that big of a deal. But if that's something that is important to you, that's just something to note. So next up is my dates. They also come in those 2 full strips, and so I just trim them down and label each box accordingly. And what I'm going to do is skip the whole chunk of me fussy cutting the dates out, and you will see what my finished monthly view looks like in just a second. Okay, so all of the weeks are done, all the days are done. I love that they color coordinate each week. It's super fun. I'm really loving these colors. This is the Treetop Canopy set, so they are super fun. I have a little bit of space because, like I said, these were dated for 2019. One thing that I really love about the Get to Work book is that it includes lots of space, lots of planning space. So that means for months like March, where there's actually 6 weekends, you get 6 full weeks on the calendar. This month it just so happened to be that gave me an extra space here at the bottom. I'm going to flip back and show you. Last month I covered that up with my This Month sticker, which I really love, and also a decorative one, and I'm gonna do something similar. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Hobonichi Weeks, this is what these are made for, and so this is made to fit one side of the spread, and this is made to fit the other side of the spread. But I'm not entirely sure that's how I'm going to use them because I really love this Stay Positive sticker with all of the fun animals from Treetop Canopy. But what I think I might do actually is put this guy here, and then maybe yeah, I think I'll put these ones over here. Yeah, I think I like that. And we can either put this cute little girl over here. Yeah, I think we're just gonna use all of these longer label boxes this month, which will be fun. Or should I put it? No, we'll stick it to going right here. Yeah, I think that I am liking that. Let's see. So we're gonna add, they added some fun decorative stickers. This one is Lucky Day, which I'm gonna put here on the 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day. I'm also, let's see, should we tuck it up here? Yeah, I'm gonna put it up here actually and add a heart there because that is my parents' anniversary as well. And I think I'm also going to put a heart on 22nd because that's my mom's birthday. And so now I'm going to set up the dailies. Again, this is, or weeklies, the days of the week in a weekly view. I am going to use this set. Again, this is the Daisy Day Planner stickers. I am going to kind of do reverse. So the day of the week is going to go on the bottom. The like actual date is going to go on the bottom, and then the day of the week is going to go on the top. And again, I'll do the first one and then fast forward through so you don't have to see the whole thing because I'm sure you get the gist of it. Plus it's kind of awkward from this angle without like obstructing with my head. Again, I am not super concerned about the straightness of them as long as they're not too crooked. But of course I say that now and they look super crooked. If you are like a precise planner scrapper person, I apologize. I am not. That is not my forte. I've never been super precise, and then I had kids and I just let go of that level of perfectionism. So now that my days of the week are set up in my weekly view, I can tackle kind of my monthly catch-all that includes some lists and a notes section. The way that Get to Workbook is planned or designed, you get your full week both at the beginning of the month and at the end of the month. So in March, my extra days are at the end of the month, the way that it's set up. In February, I had it all at the beginning of the month. And so I just use these pages for different prompts ideas or social media ideas. What you're going to see me set up is I'm going to use those new banner tabs that I got, stickers that I got, and I'm going to lay down a blank one for social media post ideas. I end up putting one that says challenges and another one that says notes. In the end, I also add one for our monthly prompts for a junk journaling project I'm working on with a friend. And I just on the top, put this monthly tab from the Daisy Week sticker set to so that I can flip to this page really easily. And so after I set this up, I'm going to go live and show you what it looks like at the beginning of March. Okay, so this is what my monthly looks like, kind of as an in-between, like complete setup and before the PIM, because there are some planning in here. I pretty much go straight into adding important dates as soon as I have a setup. So I don't really have, this is like as before the pen kind of situation as it gets. I went in and added some appointments. Day in the Life with Allie Edwards is coming up. I think that date is actually wrong. I think it's the 8th, so I'll go in and fix that. Passover is coming up, and different important dates, birthdays, stuff like that. I also added in a couple important dates down here that I don't need an individual day marker for. I cover, this is a calendar view for the month prior and the month coming up, and I always cover that. This is a free printable. Cocoa Daisy is incredibly generous, and every month they release printable pages that coordinate with the month's kit. And so there's one that's open to anyone. There's also one that's specifically for subscribers. So I have a couple of those mixed in. This one and these flowers for sure were part of the free printable. Also down here in the corner I leave a spot for any kind of future planning that I need to do before my monthly for the next month is set up. So this is the first week. Not much has been added. I always reserve the left hand corner for my meal plan, and then I'll go in. I did not do that for this one. So I'll go ahead and add this. We're going to be getting groceries on Saturday. We might even get them earlier. Our schedules have been weird with telework again, so it is what it is. The next month is a little bit busier. Yep, I definitely think that I put that on the wrong day. That's okay. Appointment reminders. I have another reminder in here that I need to set for earlier in that day, and we are just going to do that right now. Put that right there. We have an appointment, and so that this little teardrop sticker came from the Daisy Day set, and we put that right there. So, and then I'll just fill that in when the time comes. Again, some of this is printables, meal setup. We have conferences coming up, early release day. My good friend and I have a book club together. This is our monthly pick, and I use the artwork with the sloth reading with the book on his feet. I felt that it was perfect for our book club. The next week, this is the third week in March, again, monthly meal plan or weekly meal plan down here. I also added spring break, parents' anniversary, and St. Patrick's Day. These little stickers, this little sticker right here, and a couple others are from PMD on Etsy. I'll link them in the description box below. Celebrate, that also came from the Days kit. Again, it's my parents' anniversary, first day of spring, my Light the Path reminders, 4th week of March, Passover. We do a Seder plate meal on Passover. So that's what that's. I'll put our special menu down here. Again, weekly meal plan, mom's birthday. And then This is the last kind of half week, and then my kind of, I don't want to say inbox, but it's where I keep track of my social media post ideas. This is going to be prompts for my friend and I's drunk journal challenge for March. I will link that below as well. Challenges for Cocoa Daisy, I need to fill that in, and then a notes section. This isn't a huge notes section, so I will use some of these pages back here, and also the Get to Workbook comes with a huge section of graded paper in the back for all different kinds of notes. So I use the spring cleaning here because I'm going to do some cleaning, deep cleaning this month while I can, before things get busy around here. So that is what this will look like before the pin. And I hope you enjoyed my little setup process. I think a lot of this stuff is still available for March from Cocoa Daisy. So I will link what is available in the description box below. Again, this is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. This you can get a subscription for. This is by itself typically, or in the main kit. And this one comes in the main kit or separately, so I buy these separate. If these are all available still, like I said, I will link them below. And I hope you have a great March. Happy planning!